Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use map and apply map function. For that, I already imported pandas as PD and here is our example. In our example, we have one column named date which has the year, month, date format. What if you just want to have the year, you probably want to extract year value from this date column and want to create a new column here named year. Well, then you probably can use the apply function which I already showed you in the previous video, but there's one another way named map function, like df year is equal to df dot date using the map function here and passing this extract year function and shift enter. Let's take a look at this df now. Then you can see now we extracted year value from the date and every year column now have the proper years. So as you can see, the apply function and map function, the way how to use it is exactly same. But the map has one another parameter you can use. So just now we just use the function here, but you can use the dictionary instead of the function. For example, here is the data frame for our example of the dictionary. So we have the job, student, developer, and teacher. What if you just want to change student as 1, developer as 2, teacher as 3? Then instead of the function, you can just pass the dictionary here. For example, I want to change the job, df the job, dot map, and I want to change using the dictionary here student to the 1 and the developer to the 2 and the teacher to the 3. Shift enter. Let's take a look at this data frame here. Then you can see now job is 1, 2, 3. Why we use this function? Well, in the machine learning, normally you want to categorize the value, like so that they can calculate on the values. In this case, student, developer, teachers are text, but we want to change these values as integer. In this case, the map function with dictionary is very useful to convert this value to the integer. Okay, that is the map function. Map function support function parameter. Sometimes you can use a dictionary like this. Well, the other one that I want to show you is apply map function. So here's the example. We have one data frame like this, x, y, z. In previous example, I just changed one column. But what if you just want to change every element here at once? In this case, you can use apply map function. For example, if you want to round on every element here, then let me just import numpy here as np because I want to use numpy function here. The f is the apply map and say numpy function around. That means I want to round on every element in this data frame. So let's take a look at data frame. Then you can see the result from this round function. You can see instead of the 5.5 we have 6, and instead of the minus 3.3 we have minus 3. That's the apply map. If you want to change every element in the data frame, you can use the apply map. Well, this is it. And if you want to practice yourself, always come to my GitHub website. And here is the cheat sheet for you. You can practice with this cheat sheet. Okay, thank you very much and see you on the next video.